Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Veldog and this is my kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, we're going to jump right into this today. First of all, if you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Join the family. And I want to do a couple of shout outs before we jump into this meal that we're going to be preparing for you guys today. I want to do a shout out to my home girl, Honey Mama. It'll be up on the screen. Alright, that's Honey Mama. She's an awesome young lady. She be doing her thing. Go check her out. Silky Delight. Go check out Silky Delight. She's awesome as well. Abigail Navarro. Okay, Abigail. Go check her out. And we have another one here. This is my homeboy daughter. Show some love for my girl. She be slaying it with Ray. That's her name. Slaying it with Ray. That's Ray Mac's daughter. So please go check her out. And if I didn't say your name today, don't be mad at me or nothing like that. It's going to come. Alright, this is my homeboy. I did a couple of live with him on his little live channel. His name is Ramsey Clan for Life. That's Ramsey Clan for Life. This is another little young lady I want you guys to go check out. She's a new YouTuber. It's Bold and Body Full. Bold and Body Full. Okay, go make sure you go check her out. Subscribe to all these guys' channel. They be throwing up some awesome content, and just check them out. This is the last one I'm gonna throw up. It's Black Pearl. That's my homegirl right there. Make sure you show her some love, okay? All right, that's the only one I can do right now. If I miss your name, trust and believe me, it's gonna come. All right. All right. So saying that to say this, we're gonna jump right into this food. So I can show you guys what we're gonna be doing. Alright, this is what we're making today. Is how to make the world's best bacon Alfredo Fettuccine. Alright, that's what we're making today. Alright, you're going to need some Alfredo, of course. This is a 4-cheese Alfredo right here, okay? I got some Parmesan and Romano cheese. Granulated. Some butter. You're gonna need about 2 tablespoons of butter. So that's about that much right there. You're gonna need some fettuccine pasta. Of course, this is bacon, right? We need bacon. So this is a cup of bacon right here. This bacon is already cooked, all right? You're gonna need some garlic. You're gonna need some snow peas. Snow peas. You're gonna need some peas right here, okay? This is a red bell pepper. This is a half a red bell pepper. And so this is a 1/4 cup. And this is a 1/4 cup. So, and this is a 1/4 cup of tomatoes, diced up, okay? Then we have over here for, right here is the onions. Right here, we're gonna put that on top afterwards. Now, if you want to put some onions in yours as you're cooking, you're welcome to do so. Alright, but I'm going to garnish my plate with some of that. And these are some portobello mushrooms. Last but not least, these are some red pepper flakes. And we're going to be using that. So guys, stay tuned in. I'm going to go ahead and take you guys over there and show you what we're going to be doing in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm trying to get a shot of both of the pot and the saute pan. So I'm gonna turn this up on medium, and this up on a little bit past medium, like a medium high. So on mine it's an electric stove, so this is 6 on there, and this is just straight up medium. Alright, so that probably would be like, I don't know, about 5 or something. Alright, so what I did here, I put some oil in here, which is some olive oil. I put a tablespoon of that in there. And you guys, I use ghee butter, so I put like a teaspoon of that in it. that's what I did for that. Alright, now you can use that. Now if you can't get the ghee butter, you ain't got to worry about it. You can use the other butter to put in there. Alright. Alright, so my pot up over here is boiling right now. So what I'm going to do is take my noodles and put some of that in there. My pasta, I should say, huh? There's some noodles. Yeah, here they go. Now, I like to break mine in half. If you want to leave yours whole, leave it whole. Just like that. Alright? I think I might use all of it. So this is a 1 pound box. Now, if you're cooking for more people, then you may need to use a box and a half. So I'm going to stir that up for, I put some salt and oil in this pot as well. So I'm just stirring this up, make sure it gets mixed in. Now I have the regular salt, but I always use sea salt. I don't know why, I just like the sea salt a little bit better. Okay, that's that right there. Alright, let me get my little thing. Put my tongs on here. Right there. Check this out, make sure it's getting warm. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go in here with our garlic. If you, like I said, if you want to put some onions in there, you can put some onions in there. Shouldn't be a big issue or nothing. But like I told you, I can't do all that with my family. So that's that. Okay, now we're going to put our bell peppers in there. So we don't want to burn our garlic. And we're just going to go ahead and toss our mushrooms in there. This stuff smells amazing already. Anytime you're using garlic, it always smells amazing, things like. You just want to keep stirring this around. You want that garlic to burn. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and grab our bacon. Put the bacon up in there. A couple of that. Since the bacon already cooked, we ain't got to do too much to it. Very simple meal. Very simple. The Alfredo I'm not making from scratch today. If you want to learn how to make it from scratch, I got another video. I think I got chicken fettuccine. I got shrimp and fettuccine. I got some linguine or whatever. Well, that's a butter one. So you guys can go back and look at those. Alright, let me get the sauce. Turn this down. Put it on simmer. I can get me some milk. About that much. So that's like a half a cup of that. Alright. We just want this bad boy to simmer. Check on our pasta. Get some of this out of there. You can put you a little crumb of water in if you want to, just to get the rest of that out of there. That's it. Let me see. Probably like that much. So it's like a quarter teaspoon. Take our peas, put that in there. If you want more peas, you can always add more peas. That's plenty for me for now. Alright, when this get done, I know y'all want to look at this all day while it's going. I'm going to go ahead and set my plate up and everything. Forgot to tell you I'm going to have some garlic bread with this too. So it's the world's best bacon Alfredo Fettuccine with garlic bread. So we let that simmer. So we probably let it simmer for about good 20 minutes. And then I'll show you how it looks when it get done in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. My pasta is done. Put it in the skillet. So we just want to plate it up. A few mushrooms on there. That's it. Some garlic bread on there. Sometimes I like 3 of them on there. Take us some Parmesan, ROMANO, like so. You guys actually get to see me set up a plate, huh? Like what? So you don't get too carried away with it. Throw some in there. Throw the little onions in there. We'll take your little bacon like this. It's already cooked bacon, so put you a little bit on there like that, see? Want the people to know what they eating, right? And that's it. The world best bacon Alfredo Fettuccine with garlic bread. So if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please share with your friends and family. And please make these dishes. I'm sweating up in here making these dishes for you guys. And I want you guys to really make these dishes, because I'm telling you, I'm not lying to you. This food is awesome. I'm not lying to you. If you doubt me, make it. If you have any problem, hit me up in the comment section. Let me know what I can do for you to make your meal be a success, okay? And for all you new ones out there, please tell your family and friends to come and subscribe to Veil Dog channel, where I'll be making affordable restaurant quality food from my home to yours. Guys, see you next time at Veil Dog Kitchen. Let's get cooking.